We did it your way, Lute. But if that monster shows up again, know that I won't back down.
I fear that will be an end. In the meantime, let us look our way to the cathedral, shall we?
Taking us too long, Lute.
I know. It's not safe. Let's go, sister.
And that should do it.
That stifling sensation. It's gone.
This whole monastery is about to become a heap of rubble.
We're not buried under the ruins yet.
Forgive me for not feeling reassured by that, Lute.
I pushed it too far. She is my knight.
They're getting more and more frequent. We have to get out of here. As if that elevator was not damaged enough. We can only hope there's another somewhere. I figured as much.
The trace of an aura still radiates below us. Oh, wait. I can feel the chimeras as well. They were here, together.
Let's find a way to those traces then.
Maybe we'll learn what happened to Almina and Jaden. I will take care of it. I'm going to protect you. Layton, he's here.
Greetings. As you can see, I stood true to my word.
Speak then, before the whole monastery crumbles over our heads.
What are your secrets? What were you keeping from Dougal?
No more half-truths, Layton.
Let us say that I have an agenda that goes beyond my duty as an observer. And a duty that does not lie with the Order.
You're a traitor.
After all you've witnessed here, you talk of treason. To me, I am, and I always have been, an agent of the Triarchy. The Order of the Ashen Blade was created as the armed wing of the Triarchy. But the Order has constantly called for more independence, more power. For centuries, both sides have fought in secret to gain the upper hand. I was recruited as a spy in Rhyme. I was just a humble monk then. My task was to infiltrate the Order by becoming an observer.
You've lived a lie yourself for so many years.
Yes, watching, waiting. Then a few dreadful words began to echo through the halls of Doran. The Soulstice of Souls.
The spawn of chaos struck, tearing the veil.
The keepers watched as horrors spilled into the world, and so came the Soulstice of Souls. I kept an ear out, but I heard nothing more than fearful whispers. Eventually, I decided to try my luck with the Shadeless. Donovan knew no more than I, which troubled him deeply. So he decided to confront Dougal himself. I haven't seen him since. And when word of a major crisis in Ilden reached the headquarters, Dougal trusted me with such an important mission. Apparently he had found out about my other line of work.
So we're truly in this together.
Indeed. And if Dougal really means to bring forth this Solstice of Souls, then we must stop him. At all costs. Together.
What about Donovan? You didn't know about his presence here, did you?
No. And I can't explain it. But with the Grand Master involved, I can't but fear for the Shadeless's life as well. Anyway, I showed my cards. It's your turn now. What do you say?
I don't care for your allegiance. You're a spy. I don't trust you.
Sister, we must join forces with Layton. There's no other way.
Đó, nhận bị cảm mày nói nghiêng là chụp phim nữa.
I know. I do not deserve your trust. But I will help, if you let me.
Fine, observer. It looks like we're on the same side. For now.
yourself. Many brothers of yours lived here.
We were all part of the Triarchy. It's true. But to be honest, I have never felt a true bond with the monks in Ilden.
Didn't you take the same vows?
Yes, but how can one observe them in a place like this? Surrounded by all this opulence. The Cathedral of a Guiding Light even surpasses it. Or used to, anyway.
I can't really think of all this as something wrong. It's so majestic.
It was the hubris of man that built this, not the wisdom of the Shaper.
Armina is on her own now. What is she up to?
On her own, you say? There is still another transcended at large. The one who caused her to transform must still be here in Ilden.
As it transcended, Jared and Jaden said something about it.
Yes, that Armina was obsessed with the other one.
This is interesting, and quite troubling in equal measure. It seems that you and Armina may be after the same goal. A clash with her is inevitable.
We shall be ready.
May the Shaper guide your hand.
Layton has been fighting the Order in secret all this time. Does that make us allies?
I don't like the sound of my own voice as I say it, but I think so. Now, let's focus on those auras you felt.
Oh no, not again. My powers.
I know. Let's find it and get it over
She is my knight. My sister.
I'm just... It won't happen again.
We can't right now. The corruption took hold here. This place is doomed, sister.
I figured as much. It's taking us too long.
I know. It's not safe. Let's go, sister.
This whole monastery is about to begin. Look, over there.
I'm ready.
Cover me, Loot. Loot, over there.
I'm ready. It wouldn't be any use, sister. We're not buried under the ruins. Yet.
Forgive me for not feeling reassured by that, Loot.
The corruption took hold here. This place is doomed, sister.
I figured as much.
Yet another tremor.
They're getting more and more frequent. We have to get out of here.
So that's how it stalked us. Our crosses are there.
It doesn't matter now. We are done running. We will defeat it here and now.
What's ahead?
What do you mean? Don't be so cryptic, Loot.
Each one governs the body in a different way. But when they swap, they're all vulnerable. Don't let the new head take control. I'm fading away. Pushed it too far. We're not backing down.
Now! It's vulnerable!
It's changing again.
Let's keep at it!
Fading away. Help me, Layton.
One down. Two to go.
Can't leave fire alone. Exposing my essence.
Running short on heads, are you?
It is acting as liberty now. Go for it. My powers. Be careful.
Who's next? Blasted operation. We finally got rid of it.
I wonder what horrors we still have to face.
Don't doubt our strength. We'll come out of this alive and victorious.
Here we are. I'm even too familiar with these auras now. It's the transcended and the chimeras.
Chaos be damned. He found us.
You thought you could make it without me, did you?
Damien, I didn't call you forth. What is...
You let your guard down, so here I am. You should not strain yourself so much. Something bad could happen to you. What? A transcendent? I mean, you bitch! You were always stupid, but this is beyond stupid. It's suicidal!
Damien, enough! He was supposed to be weaker now, unstable. How is this even possible?
So you had a grand plan, and it was a complete failure, wasn't it? Obviously, that dimwit Jaden followed it to the letter. While blabbering about his little brother's honor, I'm sure. Am I right?
Focus, you fool! Give me your strength!
So now I'm the fool. Stand no chance against a transcended, can't you see?
Judge, have mercy. This is the end.
They didn't know that the Transcendent wouldn't get any less stable here.
Well, we learned it the hard way ourselves.
Even now, with the power we have awakened.
You're not sure we can make it, are you? But you know what? I don't care. Should we have even the slightest chance to succeed, we have to make it count.
Of course. It's all we can do. It's what we must do.
Such whining does not do you justice, Armina. I assume your plan was doomed from the start. But do not despair. We are taking the lead now. It's time to fight the Transcended head on. Oh, I've been craving such a battle. Jared, are you ready, my brother? I gave my life for this. For the Ashen Blade! Yes, that's the spirit. We're here to earn a glorious victory, or a glorious death, the likes of which few can even dream of.
To charge into battle like that? Typical of those fools. And I thought they lost their minds when they transcended. Those two were never sane.
To think they would just win or die. They could not imagine what would happen to them.
Yes, but how? Did they just go beyond their limit as they fought?
I don't know. But I'm sure that the Transcendent played a big role in this.
Why are you attacking us? You'll just die, like all the others. But wait, you're just like we were. Death shall not be the end for you. Yes, Father, we can help them. Help them see. Help them change. Oh, it is decided then. No, you had your way for far too long, Father. Now it's my turn.
Did you hear that, Luke?
I did. A girl's voice was speaking to her father.
Can there even be a chimera born of such a bond?
I hope not. It does not feel right. What reason could there be behind their rebirth? If only we knew who we are actually dealing with.
Maybe Layton knows something useful. We shall ask him, for good or ill. We're getting more and more answers.
And just as many questions.
It looks like Armina and Jaden were spared, only to be forced to transcend.
Like playthings. This is monstrous.
It's not that different than what Dougal did to us, if you ask me.
We're not there
me for not feeling reassured by that loot. We shall restore your powers then, and leave this damn place.
Look forward to it.
whole monastery is about to become a heap of rubble. It's taking us too long, Loot.
I know. It's not safe. Let's go, sister. It wouldn't be of any use, sister. We're not buried under the ruins. Yet.
Forgive me for not feeling reassured by that, Loot. Here goes one.
We're halfway through, sister. The corruption took hold here. This place is doomed, sister.
I figured as much.
Sister, are we born of the same people that did this?
You think too much, Loot.
Yet another trouble.
They're getting more and more frequent. We have to get out of here. This whole monastery is about to become a heap of rubble. It's taking us too long, Loot.
I know. It's not safe. Let's go, sister.
This whole monastery is about to become a heap of rubble.
We're not buried under the ruins yet.
Forgive me for not feeling reassured by that, Loot. Who's next?
At last! I do hope we won't run into any more of them. No more crystals to keep it blocked. Let's get out of here.